Yeah, it's almost past 11 o'clock in the evening. So we're here at the intersection of a major street in Georgetown in Penang, Malaysia. So what I observe here is religious diversity because we just passed a Catholic, a Christian, a Protestant, then here is a mosque. Of course, we have a lot of Buddhist temples here. You know, there's another structure here. And it's very modern, no? Metropolis. So what I observe about Malaysia is it's a very tolerant, no, society, although dominated by or majority Malays, and the religion is basically Islam. I observe that there's so much tolerance here, no. Okay, that's 12 seconds. Ay, paki-close nga may kinagaw ka ng right. Parang yung Rapid Penang siguro free transportation yan. We love, ano to? Ano yan? We love Comtar? What's Comtar? Indoor, theme park. Yung condo, yung building. Ito yung tawag nito? Comtar? Yan. Taking a selfie here. Taking a video of we're staying here in Gen Hotel, no, in front of St. Giles Wembley. So Gen Hotel is what's this, branded, it's a co-branding with Shangri-La, no? It's a nice, very nice hotel. So we're having a nice walk here in the evening. Ayan. Oh, mabilis. 60 pa. 60. 60. Okay. Hoy, what's that? So this is the hotel that we're staying in front of St. Giles Wembley. Pasok tayo dito. We're here Okay. Whew. Hotel lobby.